So you're working at a food bank as their donor relations coordinator or their communications director, and you're bleeding out donors every month, constantly chasing for new donors. It's like a never-ending treadmill. Last year, over 80% of new food bank donors vanished within a year. That constant grind to replace them, it's exhausting, and it costs 5 times more than keeping donors. But here's the good news. You can stop this cycle. Use proven email marketing techniques from for-profit businesses to keep donors giving. Stick with me, and I'll coach you through 4 email strategies to boost donor retention. First, why email? Well, it's powerful. On average, email boosts retention by 29% for offline donors, and it drives 36% of food bank digital revenue. Plus, only 41.9% of donors stay year to year. Email fixes that. Let me break down for you the 4 automated campaigns you can start today. Number 1, welcome campaigns. These kick off when someone joins your email newsletter. The key action to take: share your food bank story. Tell donors about the human side of its history, like how your organization all got started. Each email you send from this campaign tells of another milestone along the way to present day. This builds trust fast. The more they know about your organization, the more they trust. The more they trust, the more likely they are to donate. Next up, education campaigns. These start after a donation. The big action here is to show the donors their impact. Tell stories about how their money feeds families. See, that good feeling of giving keeps them hooked. You've seen donors give once and disappear, right? Well, these emails remind them why they gave. Third, upsell campaigns. These nudge donors to give more. The key move: ask for a bigger donation. Explain how giving more helps more people. It's like asking, can you feed just one more family? You're not pushing, you're inviting them to do more good. Finally, win back campaigns. These clean your email list by targeting non-readers. The main action: get them to re-engage by telling your story again. Send 3 emails about your food bank's work. If they don't open any of them, add them to your do not mail list. People who never read your emails are boat anchors that actually impact the percentage of your emails that make it to the inbox. This stops that. You can stop donor loss and build trust with email marketing. Use welcome, education, upsell, and win-back campaigns to keep donors giving longer. These email marketing strategies used in the for-profit world, adapted to your food bank, turn one-time donors into loyal supporters. Feel hopeful. Your work fighting hunger grows stronger with every email. Start these email ideas today and boost donor retention. Don't wait. Test one campaign this week and watch your donors stay.